Hello everyone, welcome back to Kiran's English Hub. So we are continuing with the summaries of 7th class English, and so far we have completed Unit 2 Reading A, and in this lesson we shall go through Unit 2 Reading B, that is poem It's Change, a very short and sweet poem. Yeah, we shall go through the poem within few moments. Before that, those who still did not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe it so that you will get the notifications further whenever I upload the videos of all these rest of the lessons. Okay, yeah, so without wasting any time, we shall move to the poem here. Yeah, here we go. So reading B, poem It's Change. Yeah, just we shall go through the picture. Before going to the text, we shall go through the pictures. Okay, so here in this picture we can see a kitchen. Okay, and in that kitchen there is a lady, okay, mom, and there is a daughter, a little girl, and she is okay. This indicates either she is telling or she is thinking. Okay, these small dots, okay, here you can see them, right? So this girl is thinking or speaking about scientists, biologists, geologists, and archaeologists. All these things she is speaking or discussing all these things with her mother. Okay, so let us see what are the things that she is discussing about them, okay, in the poem. Yeah, let me zoom in a little bit, and before we read the poem, please note down that the composer of the poem is Emma Gorri. Okay, that is not Gorre. Okay, it is not Gorre, that is Gorri. Okay, Emma Gorri. Okay, here you can see the spelling Gorrie. Yeah. So mom, I don't want to go to school today. Cause in the sense because. Okay, so usually the composers, the poem composers, if they want to reduce the size of the words, they reduce some letters and write in a short form like this. So whenever you're writing a poem, you can mention because as cause, but not when you're writing answers in your answer sheets. Okay, not in your examinations, but if you are writing a poem, you can write cause in the place of because, to give certain meaning and to shorten the verses in the poem. Okay, so mom, I don't want to go to school today because I fear our old is in decay. Okay, so this little girl is telling to her mom, see mom, I don't want to go to school today. Why? Because I fear our world is in decay in the sense danger. Okay, I feel that our world is in danger. Let us see what is the danger. Yeah, I feel my teachers are part of the plot. I am the only one who sees through the rot. And she is also feeling that even her teachers are also the members, are the part of the plot. Okay, plot in the sense just like the scene. Okay, see, the world is going to end, and this little girl feels that teachers are also taking part to end the world. Okay, teachers are also culprits here, those who are ending the world. Okay, and she is also telling that I am the only one who sees through the rot, and she is telling that she is the only one who is observing all these things, who is observing that world is going to end, the world is in danger, and teachers are also taking part to end the world, to make this type of dangerous thing to the world. Okay, and she also feels that she is the only person, she is the only girl who can observe all these things. Okay, she feels that no other person is observing that world is in danger. Okay, so let us see what is the danger. Yeah, so scientists are cloning. Let me wait. It is a little bit blur, I think. Yeah. So that will be disturbing. Yeah, fine. Now it is okay. So scientists are cloning pigs and sheep, saying it's change a quantum leap. Okay. So what are the scientists doing? Scientists are cloning pigs and sheep. Okay. So whenever scientists want to produce or make a new type of animal, just like cloning, okay, just like Xerox, just like taking DNA from one animal and taking DNA of another animal, different animal, and bringing them together and producing a new type of animal. For example, scientists have produced an animal named as a liger, Liger, liger. okay, liger, liger, which was the combination of two genetics, lion and tiger. Okay, so they brought the genetics of lion and tiger together, and they produced another type of new animal which is named as liger. Okay, so if you want to know the information about that, it is very interesting actually. You can go through the Google. Okay, so scientists are doing all these things, and they are telling what they are telling, it's a change. They are telling it's change, a quantum leap. A quantum leap in the sense new development. Quantum leap in the sense just like leaping from one stage to another stage, just like developing. Okay, next, biologists are making stem cells grow, saying it's changed the way to go. Okay, so what the biologists are doing, biologists are making stem cells grow. Okay, actually, see, we cannot, in the olden days we did not know that we can make a stem to grow like a plant. Okay, so but science biologists have discovered that even a stem, okay, a stem can be made into a plant and later into a tree. Okay, I think most of you have come across this process in your biology subject. Okay, we can even produce plants and trees from a small stem. Okay, so that is actually invented by biologists. Okay, that is discovered by biologists. So they are also doing like this, and they are also saying it's change the way to go. They are also telling this is the way we should live, or this is the way we should progress. Okay, next, who are else here? Geologists are finding cracks on our earth, saying its change, predicting its birth. Okay, geologists. Okay, who are geologists? Geologists. This everything is related to this. Both them related to study of Earth. Okay, the persons or people who study, okay, differences or who study about the Earth, okay, are called as geologists, and the education about the Earth is called as geology. Okay, so they are finding cracks on our Earth, saying its change, predicting its birth. Okay, so geologists are also finding so many big cracks. Okay, big cracks, not just in fields but everywhere, just like earthquakes. Okay, just like earthquakes. Okay, they are finding all these big cracks, and they are also saying it is a birth, predicting its birth. They're telling that there is something new thing is going to happen because of this earth crack, or there is just like this one, um, you know this one, the big mountains which usually blow. Okay, volca. Okay, so those type of imagery, those type of action is here explained as predicting its birth. Actually, just imagine the birth of a chick, a small baby chick. Okay, it actually breaks, or it actually makes the crack on the egg, and finally it comes out. Okay, so whenever these geologists are finding these type of cracks on Earth, they are telling that is there is some new life. There is some new life is going to come through these cracks. Okay, so that is what I want to tell. Next, archaeologists are digging up fossils and bones, saying it's change, time for clones. Even archaeologists, who are archaeologists? Archaeologists are the people who study on the dead animals or fossils. Okay, so those who do experiments, or those who discovery, or those who discover the fossils or the bones of the old animals like dinosaurs. Okay, all those things. Once upon a time, there were dinosaurs, right? So we usually hear in the newspapers, we read in the newspapers or hear in the news channels that somewhere in India or somewhere in other countries, scientists have found bones of a dinosaur, another type of dinosaur, new dinosaur. Okay, so they are discovering or digging up all these fossils and bones, and finally what are they saying? They're saying it's change, time for clones. Okay, clones are just like, say, making something, looking at the other one type of object. For example, when archaeologists, they dig up these type of fossils or bones. For example, if they uh, found uh, a cage of bones, okay, of a dinosaur, So other archaeologists and other scientists, they sit in one place and they imagine the shape of its body, shape of its face, shape of its tail, and shape of its leg, its length, height, weight, everything. And they finally they make one type of animal just with the help of those bones. Okay, but that is not original or the animal which can live, but that is just like a structure which we build, just like a wooden structure. They build a wooden structure just with the help of the bones that they find in the digging thing and all. Okay, so these are called as clones. Okay, cloning in the sense making one new type of animal with the help of its bones or its shape or its image. Okay, next. Yes. Okay, finally she is concluding. Yes, scientists are causing me great concern, giving us kids too much to learn. Okay, so what is our final argument here? What is our final problem here? The final problem is, since scientists are finding all these things. See, scientists are cloning pig, sheep, biologists are doing stem cells grow, geologists are finding cracks, archaeologists are digging fossils. Because of all these people, all these scientists, of course, what happens? The syllabus of the children increases whenever they find a new type of thing or new type of fossil or bones in the on the in the earth. They put that image in your textbooks, and because of that your syllabus increases. So what happens when the syllabus increases? So she's telling that giving us kids too much to learn, that will become again another chapter. Yes or no? So her this little girl's final worry is that, since scientists are finding all these new things, they are discovering all these new things. Their this education department is putting all those new inventions in our textbooks, and because of that we are getting so much burden to learn. Okay, so actually it is a type of silly ideology of the little girl. But my dear children, you can learn a lot from this. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, these four enough. Okay, from these four stanzas, okay, couplets, you can learn a very good information. Okay, of course, one side, okay, on the one hand, you can see it as a comic and a sweet and short poem, and another side you should go a little bit deeper into this. Okay, what is the deeper? What scientists are doing? Okay, what biologists are doing, what geologists are doing, what archaeologists are doing, what is their study, or what is their part of education? Okay, what should they do, and what ought they should do? Okay, so my dear students, whenever you read a poem, whenever you go through a poem, don't just see don't just see the outer layer of the poem. Don't just read and only understand the upper layer or outer layer of the poem. Just go just little bit deeper into that, inside into that poem, and you will learn so much. Okay, you will learn so much. See, whenever as I gone through these small lines, I think I had explained more than 5 6 lines for just 2 lines here. Okay, so your thinking must be beyond the poem. Okay, not just the letters or the words that are appearing on the poem. Your thinking must be beyond. Your thinking must be through the lines. Okay, so I hope you will do that. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this little bit poem, little small poem. And the writer or the composer of this poem is Amma Gori. Okay, not Gore again. Okay, so this question you will get in the examination. Okay, who is the composer of the poem? It's change. Okay, yeah, finally. Okay, yeah, fine, that's good. And we shall meet in the next video, that is reading C, Susrutha, an ancient plastic surgeon. So before leaving the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will get the notifications whenever I upload new and further videos. Okay, so see you all in the next video. Until then, God bless you, take care.